Hello and welcome to EIZO. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through Caliop, EIZO's operating room control software, designed to streamline and simplify the imaging workflow. Caliop is the central control hub. It manages video routing from all connected imaging sources to all the displays and recording units in the room, while also supporting patient management, surgical checklists, documentation, archiving, and more. Let's get started. Caliop is installed on the EIZO surgical panel. When you first switch on your surgical panel, the software will launch automatically. In most cases, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard, no login required. However, if your hospital requires authorized access, Caliop can integrate with your hospital's IT user management system. In this scenario, you would log in using your credentials provided by your hospital IT department, not by EIZO. There is also an emergency login option where no credentials are required, ensuring access is always available immediately. Once the software is running, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, the startup screen for Caliop. Here you will see the name of the operating theatre, the hospital name, the current date, and the time, giving the OR team immediate orientation as soon as they arrive. The dashboard also allows you to select the background color theme so that different rooms can be easily differentiated by the background color. In the bottom right corner, you will find the volume control for any speakers or headsets connected to the system. Along the bottom of the screen, you will always see the current selected patient's name, no matter which part of the software you navigate to. This is a key patient safety feature. It ensures you are always aware of which patient's data you're working with while they are physically in the room. The main menu runs down the left side of the screen and is organized top to bottom to mirror the natural surgical workflow, from preparation through to completion. Let's follow that order. The first step in preparing for a surgery is patient management. This is where you select and activate the correct patient for the upcoming procedure. On the left of the screen, you will see the sources of your patient's data. You may first see the work list, which is automatically populated by the hospital's information system such as the RIS or HIS, showing you the patient's schedule for the day in that specific room. The second is the local file system, which contains patients that have already been seen on this system. Simply select the relevant patient from the work list, and their details will appear on the right side of the screen. You can then activate the patient, after which their name will be pinned to the bottom of the screen for the entire duration of the procedure. You can also filter the list by patient's name or their ID if you're looking for a specific patient. And in emergency situations where a patient is not yet on the work list, you can create a new patient manually. The work list is the preferred way to work. It pre-populates all patients directly from the hospital system, eliminating manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors such as misspelled names during a high-pressure surgical environment. Note, if your hospital uses the Caliop Con module, more on this at the end, the work list connects live to the hospital's patient information system, making this process fully automated and seamless. Once a patient is activated, the next step is video management, the heart of Caliop and where most of the intraoperative control takes place. At the top of the screen, you will see all connected image and video sources. These include both stationary sources, such as fixed mount cameras or OR light cameras, and mobile sources, such as an endoscopy camera, a patient's vital signs monitor, or a mobile X-ray unit, which are brought into the room on a trolley and connected via a wall connector or pendant. As soon as a mobile device is plugged in and detected, it will automatically appear as a new input in the source list. You will also see a live preview thumbnail for each connected source, so you can immediately identify what each one is showing. Caliop only displays sources that are actively connected and providing a signal. It won't clutter the screen with unused connectors. Along the bottom of the screen, you will see all the configured output destinations. These include monitors, recording units, streaming devices, and virtual outputs for web conferencing. To route a video signal, simply drag a source and drop it onto a destination. The monitor in the OR will immediately update to display that signal. Because outputs always need to show something, you don't always remove a signal, you replace it by routing a different source to that destination. Note, the workstation running the Caliop software is your control station. This is different from the displays in the OR showing the live surgical feeds. Caliop also supports different layouts, the ability to display multiple video sources simultaneously on a single monitor. You can display up to a quad view, 4 sources on one screen, or without extra cabling. This is particularly useful for capturing a full picture of what's happening in the OR. for example, showing the endoscopy feed alongside a patient's vital sign in the same recording. Layouts are easily managed via drag and drop, and you can include options like picture-in-picture depending on the hardware in your system. From the video management screen, you can also record video and capture still images directly within Caliop. Recordings are immediately assigned to the currently active patient's local archive under the Documentation tab. Even if you navigate away from the video management screen during a recording, an indicator will remain visible in the task area at the bottom of the screen to remind you that a recording is in progress. All recordings are stored locally on the workstation. Think of this as a temporary archive during the procedure. At the end of the surgery, you should transfer the important files to the hospital's PACS or VNA system for permanent storage and backup. We'll cover that in the documentation section. For surgeons or teams who run the same type of procedure regularly, Caliop supports video presets. These allow you to save a specific routing configuration, which sources go to which outputs, and recall it instantly with a single click. Presets can be named after a surgeon, a procedure type, or anything that works for your team. For example, if a particular surgeon always wants the patient's data on one screen, the in-light camera on another, and vitals on a sub-window, you save that preset once, and every single time they operate, it's all configured automatically. Caliop also includes a built-in checklist tool designed to support the OR team with the standard operating procedures and surgical safety documentation. By default, Caliop comes with the checklists based on the World Health Organization (WHO) surgical safety checklist. These can be customized or extended to meet the hospital-specific requirements. Checklists are always filled out during or before the surgery by simply clicking on each question. Once you complete, you can save the checklist as a PDF. This creates a locked, unmodifiable document that is stored in the local patient archive alongside any recordings and images from the procedure. Completed checklists can be reviewed at any time and, if needed, deleted or redone. The Documentation tab gives you an overview of everything recorded and captured for the active patient: still images, videos, and saved PDF checklists. You can review recordings directly within Caliop, including playing back video with the full playback controls. At the end of the surgery, select the files you want to keep and transfer them to the hospital's storage system. Caliop supports several transfer options. PACS, the hospital's main medical imaging archive, communicated via the DICOM standard. A VNA, vendor neutral archive, an alternative hospital-grade archive system, or a file-based storage. For a hospital that doesn't use a PACS system, files can be sent to a designated network file location. This transfer process bundles the selected files with the patient's information into a package and sends it automatically. No manual file management required, no USB drives, and no risk of saving to the wrong folder. For hospitals using Caliop Con module, this entire workflow is automated and fully integrated within the hospital information system. Recordings that have already been transferred will remain on the local workstation temporarily, but this is not intended as permanent storage. The hospital's PACS or other destination defined by each hospital's data retention policy is always the primary archive. Caliop includes a timer and stopwatches tool, providing the OR team with flexible time tracking utilities to help manage the parameters of any procedure. You can create multiple timers and stopwatches simultaneously, give each one a custom name, and where speakers are connected, select an audio alarm tone that will sound when the timer expires. Once created, a timer will start counting down immediately. You can pause at any time during the procedure. Even if you navigate away to another part of Caliop, for example the video management screen, the active timers and stopwatches remain visible in the task area at the bottom of the screen. If a timer expires while you're in a different view, you'll receive both a visual and audio alert. And you can tap through to the timer directly from that notification. In addition to its own features, Caliop allows hospitals to integrate web-based applications or their existing software directly into the platform without needing to leave Caliop at all. Under external apps, you can pin shortcuts to any Windows-based software installed on the workstation. Think of it like the Windows Start menu. For example, hospitals might pin a document viewer, a calculator, or any other tool they already use, so it's accessible with a single tap. This could also include your hospital's PACS viewer, which means your surgical team can pull up reference images from a prior scan directly within the OR without having to step away or switch systems. Under web apps, any web-based application can be embedded and run directly inside the Caliop interface. This could include collaboration platforms, scheduling tools, documentation systems, or even a music streaming service. A practical touch for OR teams who like background music during procedures, and a hygienically preferable alternative to bringing personal phones into the theater. When you navigate away from web apps and return to it, it'll resume exactly where you left off. It's not restarted. These options are entirely configurable by the hospital and are designed to make Caliop a centralized platform for everything the OR team needs. What you have seen throughout this tutorial is Caliop as its full capability. It is worth noting that Caliop is available as a modular system with 3 tiers. Video Management, VM, the foundational model. It includes the dashboard and full video routing, but does not include patient management, checklists, documentation, or recording. Then Caliop Doc. This builds on VM and adds local patient management, surgical checklists, recording, and documentation, with the ability to save files to an external drive or file-based storage. And Caliop Con, the connection module that integrates Caliop within the hospital's information systems. With Caliop Con, patients' work lists are automatically populated from the hospital's RIS and HIS, and completed recordings and documentation can be sent directly to the hospital's PACS or VNA, all without manual interaction. This is the module that enables a truly seamless, fully digital OR workflow. If you're interested in learning which tier best suits your facility, or would like to explore Caliop further, please reach out to your local EIZO representative. And that is an overview of Caliop, EIZO's operating room integration software. From video routing and patient management through to documentation and hospital system integration, Caliop is designed to keep the OR team focused on what matters most. If you have any questions or would like help with setup or configuration, please visit the EIZO Visual Solutions website, go to Support and Service, and click on the Customer Support form to find your regional contact and submit a request.